20 Minutes Setswana presents
Abuti! Abuti!
Oh look, it's Abuti and Osi.
Dumela Abuti.
Dumela Osi.
Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Dumelang bana.
Let's learn some new words. Can you tell me what the word is for hospital in Sesotho?
Sepetlele.
That's right, it's sepetlele. And what is the word for store in Sesotho?
Lebenkele.
That's right, it's lebenkele. Now what is the word for school in Sesotho?
Sekolo.
Very good, it's sekolo. Can you tell me what the word is for church in Sesotho?
Kereke.
That's right, it's kereke. And what is the word for house in Sesotho?
Ntlo.
Very good, it's ntlo. So, we have sepetlele,
Sepetlele.
lebenkele, sekolo, kereke, and ntlo. And now you can use these words to build sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, Osi. See you next time.
Salantle.